Good morning, everyone. I'm Trish Triumpho Sullivan, and here's a quick little video about note-taking. Please take notes. Note-taking is especially important for our recorded lectures, but also very important during our in-person Zoom discussions. It's vital that you take notes in this class because all of our tests are open book and, wait for it, open notes. Right? So here's a good hint for success in the class. If I write it on the board, you write it down on your note paper. Okay? Use a pen that writes smoothly and easily. Right? Just jot down the key words on the board. You can fill in the details after class or after the video while the info is still fresh in your mind. It's proven that handwritten note-taking helps you retain, to remember the material better. Remember, if I write it on the board, it's important enough for you to write it down. It will be on a test. Okay, so there you go. See you in class.